If I may, can I call this a green onion pizza? I love this green onion pizza.
This successful recipe is based on my many unsuccessful experiences and continuous experiments.
It's crispy outside and soft inside, with tasty green onion and cheese flavor.
This dough has 2 cups of water and 4 cups of flour. This can make 2 pieces of bread. How you measure the water and flour is very critical here. When you measure water, make sure it's a full cup of water. And similarly, when you measure the flour, make sure you wipe off the excessive flour on top of the cup. For example, use a chopstick or a ruler. If you and your child do not mind getting messy, this is a great fun family project. Make sure the end is sealed very well so the green onion and other fillings will not come out. This twist motion and the way I make the dough so far produces the best result I have seen. I learned it from a teacher. My teacher is the wife of a professor in the department where I studied. I was always looking forward for this gathering among Chinese scholars and students. This is her signature dish that she brought with her every time and cooked on site. Even with her help, the journey to make a perfect bread like this is not easy. I thought anything with yeast and flour was not my specialty. Remember, with the 1:2 ratio, it guarantees a perfect result every time you try.
Turn the heat on at medium. Add some oil.
Place the dough when the oil is warm. Cook for about 4 minutes until golden brown on one side. Turn over and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. What is this boy doing here?
After 4 minutes, turn the timer off.
The heat we use and the time we cook is also very critical for a successful result. This is a not so successful bread. Quiz. What is the secret to make a fluffy bread like this one? I hope your answer has one of my favorite math subjects that I teach the kids now, ratio. Hope to see you and your family make a successful one like this. See you next time.